Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little addition to my Zippo collection. That's a bit flashy. So this one came in has the cardboard sleeve. It's pretty nice. And it says Poppy Design. And it's a Zippo Poppy Design Candy Apple Red. And it's a new item. I like the little cardboard sleeves over the regular Zippo box. That's the normal Zippo box. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. Poppy Design. Idiotic California warning. It was manufactured in Bradford, PA. So here is a look at the Poppy Design. The Red Poppy. And it's on a really nice candy apple coated steel Zippo. And you can see it was made in F of 2020, which is June. Good stampings on this one. Good sound, lights up nice. That's the Red Poppy Design. Let's do a drop test. So the Red Poppies passed the drop test. That's a good Zippo going into my collection, and it is brought to you by more cowbell. Knuckle bump.